Good afternoon, welcome back to the garden. Today is Tuesday, August 17th. You know what that is? Tomato Tuesday. We're in between raindrops. The forecast is unsettled weather the rest of the week. After our extreme pruning on Sunday, we've got a lot of tomatoes that have turned red. Thing is, if you look at this, you see that top is splitting. Get a little more rain on that, it's going to crack wide open. So we really do need to take everything that's red off of these vines. Come on, let's pick. That little breeze right there, that's a gust front. This rain is coming. See that one right there is split. If we don't take it off now, we get a decent rainstorm, these will all split. Now that's a tomato. Now that's what you call vine-ripe tomatoes. I really do thank you for swinging by the garden and helping me get these off real quick right before it storms. You know what? Click that right there, meet me in the kitchen, and I'll show you how to make salsa. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.